Beautiful Christmas tree. Oh, the beautiful Santas. Wow, this is so cute. So we're going to decorate the front porch today, and there's still a lot to get done before we can start decorating. So we need to first clean up, and then we'll start decorating. We still have some of the fall decoration here, the pumpkins and stuff. So a lot of cleanup to get done before we can start decorating, but I have two very good assistants with me. So I still have some compost to get rid of out here. I need to get that done, among other things. And I have that whole fall vibe still going on here. I need to clean all of that. So are you guys ready, boys?
To do what?
To clean up and decorate for Christmas.
Yeah, but
Yes, you have a mighty reward.
on Christmas.
Yes, you have a big Christmas present. Will that work for you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get to it then. So with the days now short, we basically lost light while we were decorating, and the boys left me alone to continue with the whole thing. So here I am using these forest conifer branches, and I'm going to just be taking them and adding them to the arrangements that I made for fall, just to bring in that Christmas vibe. And I got all these branches from my mother-in-law. She arranged those for me. I think she and her brother foraged them from their forest in Bend, so I didn't have to buy those, and I'm so happy about that. So while I was working on putting in the Christmas tree branches, I realized that it was getting really late and I was losing light, and the snow started falling. So I had to drop the whole thing and come back another day. And because we've been having so many things going on, it wasn't until a couple of days later that I finally was able to continue working on the project. So guys, it's day 2 here in the project of decorating the front porch for Christmas. There's been a lot going on, and there's been a lot of bad weather as well. So I've had to drop the project a couple of days, and then I'm getting back to it today, and I hope to be able to complete it. I'm sure the kids will be joining me once they're back from school. But what you can see here is that I've already put in the conifer and juniper branches, just to to bring the Christmas vibe in. And I bought a few mini Christmas trees that I'm going to be adding. So this is what we have going on. More Christmas decorations here to hang. I have this beautiful reindeer here that lights when it's dark. So I'm going to be installing all of that, and then we'll take a look at the end. So I'm just accessorizing now and putting up all of these little nice Christmas things. See the tiny little things, you can take one out. You have to loosen it. You just put it like that, or you can something like this. You're doing a great job, Prince.
Thank you.
And I have to get busy with the rest of the decoration. Alright guys, it took us a couple of days to finish this, but here's the final outcome.